Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. The game needs the right CPU, GPU, RAM, and free disk space. Check these now. Once done, update your graphics drivers and Windows. Outdated drivers are a common cause. Make sure to run your launcher as administrator so file permissions aren't blocking the game. Also, disable overlays like Steam and Discord, and temporarily turn off antivirus and firewall to rule out interference. This quick, focused sweep eliminates the most frequent startup blockers. Next, verify the game files through Steam or the Epic launcher. This replaces corrupted or missing data, and it often fixes crashes on start. Then install or repair Visual C++ redistributables, DirectX, and NET runtimes because missing runtimes stop the game from launching. After that, delete the local config and shader cache to force fresh generation. If needed, run Baldur's Gate 3 in Windows compatibility mode and try different launch options. These steps target deeper software conflicts and corrupted runtime assets. Finally, ensure your GPU control panel assigns the correct GPU to the game and set power to maximum performance so it won't underclock. If problems persist, perform a clean driver reinstall with the to remove remnants of old drivers, and boot Windows with a minimal startup to isolate third-party conflicts. If none of this works, gather crash dumps and launcher logs before contacting support. Having logs speeds diagnosis. One key tip: reproduce the failure immediately after changes so
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.